People think that ransomware is primarily commercial, and it is on the dollar side, but it follows you home. It doesn't stay at work. It will follow you home on your smartphone or on your thumb drive. And when these automated dialing systems that check for open computers go through the system, they don't know really whether it's a business computer or a personal computer. They're just looking for openings. So you could have Russians in your home computer right now and not know it, just waiting for when to hit. So if you haven't prepared, now's the time to prepare. And there's a few things that you can do. One is keep a air-gapped copy or a copy off the web of your important critical data. You can go get a thumb drive and put the important things you need, like your tax records and your medical records and your title for your home and your cars. You can have copies of that offline. Another thing that you can do is to spend some money and get a intrusion detection system, firewalls and all that. And then of course you have Sollensys, which is the product that we came out with that allows you to drag and drop your files into a blockchain, keep them immutable and indestructible forever. And that way, no matter what evil befalls your home, you can have a fire, or you can have a flood, or you can have someone break in, or a cyber attack. Doesn't matter, because your data is off in another universe, untouchable. It just depends on how much effort you're willing to make things safe.